The 2022 housing market has been defined by two key things: inflation and rapidly rising mortgage rates. And in many ways, it's just kind of put the market into a reset position. So today, I'm going to discuss what to expect from the housing market in 2023. Hi, I'm Scott Duns, a realtor in North County, San Diego. I'm here to keep you informed and up to date, not just on the housing market, but also for anyone looking to buy or sell a home. Now let's get into it. As the Federal Reserve made moves last year to try and lower inflation, mortgage rates more than doubled, which has never happened before in a calendar year. And because of this, it's had a huge impact on buyer activity, the balance between supply and demand, and ultimately, home prices. And as those things changed, some buyers and sellers put their plans on hold and decided to wait until the market felt a bit more predictable. But what does that mean for this year? What everybody really wants is just more stability in the market in 2023. And for that to happen, we're going to need to see the Fed bring inflation down more and keep it there. So what's ahead for mortgage rates in 2023? Well, moving forward, experts agree it's going to be all about inflation. You see, if inflation is high, mortgage rates will be as well. But if inflation continues to fall, mortgage rates will likely respond. Now, even though we've seen some early signs that inflation is easing, now just keep in mind, we are not out of the woods just yet. Inflation is still something to watch in 2023. Right now, experts are factoring all of this into their mortgage rate forecast for this year. And if we average those forecasts together, experts say we can expect rates to stabilize a bit more in 2023. Now, whether that's between 5.5% or 6.5%, it's hard for experts to say exactly where they'll land. But based on the average of their projections, a more predictable rate is likely ahead. But if inflation continues to drop, we could see rates tick down. As Greg McBride, chief financial analyst at Bankrate, explains, mortgage rates could pull back meaningfully next year if inflation pressures ease. So in the meantime, you can expect some volatility as rates will likely fluctuate in the next few weeks. But if we see inflation come back under control, that would be great news for the housing market. What will happen to home prices this year? Home prices will always be defined by supply and demand. The more buyers and fewer homes there are on the market, the more prices will rise. And that's exactly what we saw during the pandemic. But last year things changed. We saw home prices moderate and housing supply grow as buyer demand pulled back due to higher mortgage rates. But do experts think that will continue? Well, this graph shows the latest home price forecasts for 2023. As the different colored bars indicate, some experts are saying home prices will appreciate next year, and others are saying home prices will come down. But again, if we take the average of all the forecasts, we can kind of get a feel for what 2023 may hold. The truth is probably somewhere in the middle. That means nationally, we'll likely see relatively flat or neutral appreciation in 2023. As Lawrence Yun, chief economist at the National Association of Realtors, says, after a big boom over the past 2 years, there will essentially be no change nationally. Half of the country may experience small price gains, while the other half may see slight price declines. Bottom line, the 2023 housing market is going to be defined by mortgage rates, and rates will be determined by what happens with inflation. The best way to keep a pulse on what experts are projecting for the next year is to lean on a trusted real estate advisor like me. Hey, if you found this video informative and helpful, hit that like button. And if you want to be kept up to date on what's happening in the real estate housing market or get tips on buying or selling a home, you've come to the right place, so hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to post them down below. My name is Scott Duns, and if you're looking to buy or sell a home in San Diego County, let's work together.